Located in Gwinnett, Georgia, Hennessy Lexus offers a premier car buying experience. In an effort to impress and satisfy their demanding customer base, the folks at Hennessy installed a Sonny's Fleet-O-Matic drive-through wash on the roof of their parking garage, with close proximity to their service area. With shifting and expanding 3-inch concrete floors, this location presented some unique challenges. But the resulting tunnel is thrilling customers with clean, dry, shiny cars. With automatic hot wax and tire shine, premium chemicals, and safe and reliable equipment, Hennessy has been able to deliver pristine vehicles to their customers, inside and out. Due to high wash volumes during peak times, Hennessy needed a wash tunnel that could consistently deliver premium quality. Their Sonny's tunnel is up to the challenge, giving them top-notch throughput and top-quality results that they describe as first-class, fast, and efficient. Another opportunity to solve problems and deliver premium results for Sonny's, the car wash factory.